Hey guys, what's up? Rachit here from World of VFX. Welcome back to our channel. This video is completely based on KeenTools newly updated GeoTracker, and hopefully you guys will love this video. So without further delay, let's get started. Alright, as you can see, this is the scene which I have created earlier. So first of all, you just need to go to new and general and reset. Now just need to delete this. And also guys, if you are a Hindi speaking viewer, you can definitely check out our VFX World channel for the same video in Hindi language. Alright, so first of all, you need to go to the camera view. And after installing the GeoTracker and KeenTools, you need to find out this called GeoTracker. Click create a new GeoTracker, and then you need to import our clip. Simply double click and it will import only the first frame, but if you want to import is in a sequence, simply click and go down, press shift, hold and clip. So now it's loaded as in sequence. Now always go to last frame and do whatever tracking you have to do. So first of all, you need to create a face model which is called geometry. So to that we are doing in face tracker or face builder. So I'm just create a new head. This will basically helps you to create the head model. So first of all, I just need to add some images as in reference so that we can easily create our face model. So select our few images from our sequence. So let's see, we have very few images here over, and I have only 5 to 6 images is pretty decent, and press OK. Alright, after that go to each and every clip, something like this, and press align face. If you want allow face expressions like neck rotation, eye blinking, you can simply turn this on. So it will basically help you to grab the motions of your face. Again, align face, second one, click, same align face. So with like the same process you have to do the entire like all images you need to align. Alright, after successfully align, just exit from the spin mode. Now need to go to GeoTracker, and over there you can find this geometry. Click and you can find out the FB head. Just click and it will import. Now next you need to click this start pinning mode. So you need to adjust the face. First I just click center geo, so it will basically comes in center. Now this is very bright, so what I'll do, just decrease the wireframe opacity so that you can see everything clearly. Now simply match with eyes just like this, and you can see automatically the rest of the part will match automatically. Simply align the face, something like this, also from the ears. Now this pins basically helps you to adjust the exact position. Now once you're happy, you can simply press track backward, so automatically it will track backward in frame by frame, and if you wish you can simply play it, so obviously it will track the complete frame range. Now basically we just need a basic head movement. We don't need anything like too much precisely. So as you can see, the head movement is pretty decent, but if you wish you can do it like more precisely. So if you want, you can simply make it like this, eye movement and all, something like this. And once you make these changes, you need to do a refinement. So simply press refine. So this will basically helps you to refine the entire frame range with your changes. And now as you can see, the refinement is done and the head movement is pretty decent looking. And now just you need to export the camera. So just select the camera and go down over to scene, and here there you can find geometry and camera. Simply check this camera button, and from here also camera. So now as you can see, 1GMT01 camera is exported successfully. So now just need to go back to your main view. So exit spin mode and go back to your main viewport. So now this is your camera which is movable, and the model is here just like this. Now you need to import the LOKI model, like LOKI helmet model, to add this over here. So just go to file and need to import and go to GLV. I already have downloaded this from Sketchfab. Link is in description box below. Go and download. It's completely free. Alright, so once it's imported, simply scale down. I need to fit this model with this face, so you can use multiple viewports to adjust it. So slightly go down and scale it down. Make sure the scale should be proper because everything is based on this. So now just need to go to another viewport and matches like this. Alright, so it's approximately matched well as per my idea. So now this looking something like this. Now go to your main camera. So now it's look like this only, and as you can see, the helmet is too much rotated on different direction. So select hierarchy and just need to rotate this in x-axis a bit so that we can see the eyes over here. and that's it. It's nice. Once you play, you can simply see the head movement over here. Now we need to do some render settings because we don't want this type of thing every time. So what you have to do is just simply first go to your main render view. So this is your main texture. Just go to the main render. Now first of all, need to change from EVE to cycles because we will get a realistic render. Then GPU compute, and right after that, basically our target will be, you just need to see this face model. So first of all, you need to add a material. Just press add a new material, decrease everything, roughness, specular and all. Then go to this object properties, go down to this visibility. Over there you can find this shadow catcher. Simply turn this on. Now this will basically catch the shadows. Now go to settings. Over there, decrease the maximum samples in viewport to 20, and let's go to this performance. Over there you can simply turn on this preset data, and make sure go to film and turn on this transparency. So now you can see the shadow is adding over here. Now we have a basic light. So first of all, delete the light because we will using a sunlight. So go to colors and let's add a sun texture. So it comes like this only. Now just need to rotate the sun to match the light source with the original frame or footage, something like this. Now decrease the intensity to, let's say, 5, and increase the sun size to make the shadow more blurry. So now if you feel the colors are too much, what you can do, first of all, you just need to settings on your render settings. Over there you can find this color management. You can simply decrease the exposure, so automatically it will match. Increase the gamma, slightly exposure up, and also you can make the contrast to bit higher, so that automatically it will start matching with your main input. And once you're happy, you can simply press render in PNG and compose it in Adobe After Effects or Nuke. So yes, that's it for today. Hopefully you really enjoyed this short and simple KeenTools GeoTracker and facebuilder tutorial. And if you feel this video is helpful for you, then definitely hit the subscribe button. I also need likes and share. So keep watching, keep rocking World of VFX. Bye bye.